updated the game finally. I swear I could graduate before Amazon made a new update.
Yeah, so today we're gonna be playing we're gonna be doing Spring Festival, and we might be decorating it then. I don't know, but we might.
Might.
And let's get started.
Okay, number 1. Let's check out the update. Okay, wait, okay. First we got the Enchanted Lucky Bundle. You can find the Enchanted Lucky Bundle bundle in the rhyme shop. Celebrate Lucky.
It looks really stupid because there's a bunch of reused items.
Wait, haven't we already seen Flamingos?
Yeah, Flamingos have already came, Animal Jam.
Yeah?
Okay.
Small House. We've already seen this. This came out a year ago.
Day.
This was the last stem that Animal Jam added. Lucky Day is here.
And
it is.
Got Spring Extra.
I
think the Cosmos Treehouse, the regular original one, just came out today.
The original one.
5 diamonds.
Oh my god, I need to buy it. Spring Extravaganza.
Festival.
These are gonna be so cute. Crocodiles, falcons, and ships. Cosmos Treehouse. Natural look to call your own. Believe the lovely koala in the house know is back and provides your blah. Okay.
And then Lucky Party is already. Let's go check this out.
Search for the hidden Lucky Clovers. Spring Festival is here. This is so fun. You can get beautiful prizes here. Pie Day. I've never seen
favorite
Pie
time
Day.
of the year.
I've never seen Pie Day.
You have.
I've never heard of it though.
It comes out every year. Turtle, where are you?
Oh, that was a long time ago. Anyways, so we are just going to buy the new bundle. Okay, we need to go to the diamond shop. Okay, I'm gonna buy the bundle in...
Buys. I just used all my
I don't wanna use all my diamonds though. 1 minute.
Alright, go
Alright, we're gonna go buy the bundle.
I already bought it. She's just gonna go.
But I need my diamonds.
Yeah, she needs Alright,
bye.
So, Tenta.
Bought it. Go! I never had a go in my Animal Jam history. Lucky Zipper Tail, that's actually a gross item. I know I just said.
Oh my god.
Whoa! They're not. I mean, they're decent. Lucky Mystical Spike Flower. Lucky Feline Hat.
Those are all recycled items.
No, they're not.
Yeah, Ferocious Hat was a bundle.
I mean,
So was the collar.
Lucky Bear. Lucky Bear.
What's that?
Lucky Moo. My god. Are these like copies? Or
I
something?
think they are.
Wait, no, they're not. I thought they were. That bundle
Okay.
Disco thing. I think. Lucky Rabbit Show. This is decent. No, I like that. Lucky Leprechaun Archway. Okay. Lucky Leprechaun. Lucky Horses. Please be the last gift. Good Mira.
Come here
I
and show me
don't
what
want
you
a
got.
new pet. I usually just make all my pets white.
watching a video.
I like
Who the heck is Pikachu?
next. I don't care. Red cat. Red cat. Okay. We're gonna go make a look. This is, I love the goat. It's cute. Anyways, we need to decorate this. Come on, load. Okay, we have, no. Ew. That's decent. I like that. Wait a minute. I like that a lot. Wow. Wait, I like that. I can't have that color.
Hooray! What's a go get? And put on your lip too.
I kind of like this, but what? This is. I hate this. I hate that. I don't like any of these. Oh, that's cool. Those look weird though. So how do you like the look?
Oh, let me see. I thought you were putting on the lip that you got.
Wait. I only have one pop. Okay, I'm gonna change that. That's better. I don't like these. Oh. This is crap. What do I use? I hate this. I'm gonna make a look with lucky items. Okay, I'm gonna see you when I'm done. Well, damn! So, how do you like me now? Okay. I really like this. So we're gonna try to, decorate the den. Cosmo's original den, which I love. Wait, what's this? That's not a table at all. Wait, I could use this for something nice. What do I use this for? This is good. I'm gonna decorate the other spring cottage.
Ooh, that's actually like not bad.
Wow. Wait, I never noticed how awesome this den was. This den is gonna be the best den ever. Why did they make the chair so big though? I like this. Did you just lay eggs? Okay, I'm gonna see when I'm done decorating the den. Ew, this chair sucks. So you laid eggs on my head. Funny. Well, bam! Why do I keep on saying that? Okay, first of all, you have this archway, and then you got the flowers, and then I made this living room over here. The wallpaper is bad. It's really bad. Okay, so I changed the wallpaper and the flooring, which I love the flooring. This could be like used for a household. Okay. Yeah, now we're gonna go through the land and see what they're like. Timbara looks Crystal Sands is on. I don't like Crystal Sands. Syrupy Forest matches the theme.
What?
Syrupy Forest matches the theme.
Dress up what you want to dress up like you want to dress up. Like what you want to do.
That's weird. I think they changed the
Oh, I love that
grass
little chair.
tone. What is this place?
Where are you?
I'm in Small Township. Okay, this looks nice. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and comment your favorite part of the bundle. Bye!